In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the camera on a Samsung phone. First, open the settings on your Samsung phone. You can find the settings app in your app drawer or swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. This step is crucial because the settings app is where you can manage all the permissions and features of your device. Once you tap on the settings icon, you'll see a list of various options like connections, sounds and vibration, and notifications. This layout is designed to help you easily navigate through your phone's capabilities. Next, tap on Apps. This option will take you to a list of all the applications installed on your device. You'll notice that the apps are organized alphabetically. This organization helps you quickly find the app for which you want to enable camera permissions. It is essential to know which app you are modifying because camera permissions can affect how the app functions. For instance, some apps need camera access to provide full features, enhancing your overall experience. From there, you need to select the app that you want to enable camera access for. Scroll through the list until you find your desired app. Once you locate it, tap on it to enter the app's information page. Make sure you choose the right app because enabling camera permissions for the wrong app could lead to privacy concerns. This step is straightforward and ensures that you are ready to adjust the necessary settings. Now tap on Permissions. This section displays all the permissions that the app requires. Here you will see options related to storage, location, and of course the camera. Reviewing these permissions is important because it helps you understand the app's functionality and what access it needs to operate correctly. This transparency ensures you are in control of your device's privacy. Next, tap on Camera. This will take you to the specific settings related to camera access for the selected app. You will see options to either allow or deny access. It's crucial to pay attention here because granting camera access allows the app to use your phone's camera features. This is where you can tailor your privacy settings according to your comfort level. Finally, select Allow or Allow Only while using the app. Choosing Allow provides the app full access to the camera at any time, while Allow Only while using the app restricts access to when you are actively using it. This decision is important because it helps manage your privacy while still enjoying the benefits of the app. After making your selection, you will see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled camera access for the app of your choice on your Samsung phone. This process not only enhances your application experience, but also ensures that you maintain control over your device's privacy settings. Remember that managing permissions is an essential part of keeping your information secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.